Friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Google Ads application on your Windows 11 computer. Yes, you get that right. Now, how do you do that? Head over to google.com, and once you're here, guys, click the Google Apps icon on the upper right hand side. Now scroll all the way down to where you find Google Ads. Now it will take you over to this page like the Google Ads website, but don't worry. In order to install this as an application, you want to click the three dots on the upper right hand side and then go down to where it says save and share. Click on create shortcut. Now, even though it says create a shortcut, it doesn't mean that it's just creating a shortcut directly, but if you go ahead and remove all of these additional information here and just leave it like Google Ads, and then you click the box that says open as a window, then hit the create, then guess what? Look at that. It installed as an application on your Windows 11 computer. How amazing is that, guys? Now, to show you that it installed as an application, you can click the Windows button on your taskbar and simple type in ads. You will see Google Ads here now, and you can simply see that it's an application. You can open it and it will be open as application, as you can see here. You can even right click on it and add it to your taskbar or pin it to your taskbar if you so desire. And that's all there is to it, guys. That's how you easily go ahead and install the Google Ads as an application. Now, if you no longer want it, you can easily click the three dots and click uninstall and remove, and it will be removed from your computer as an application. Now, guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.